What's so special about these shoes is it's totally made from trash. Hi, my name is Australia Gloria and this is my unboxing video. They just arrived today, the 2 pairs of shoes that I ordered from Nike SNKRS app, and I am here to open these guys for you. Look at the details of the box. According to Nike website, these designs are printed using plant-based ink. And for the top of the shoes, like everything here, it is made from recycled polyester. You can even wear it without the shoelace. You can completely remove this because this is like a step-in shoes. Just put your feet inside and then here's your pull-up tags to open up the shoes. And then later on I'm gonna show you some pictures of me and videos wearing the shoes and how comfortable it is. See that? And the famous Nike swoosh. right, so what's so special about these shoes is that Nike decided to become more sustainable and more eco-friendly. Instead of these shoes going to the landfill, because that is the #1 problem in the fashion industry right now. Every year, they accumulate 26 billion worth of trash. These shoes are made from 25% old t-shirts, 25% textile scraps, and the rest 50% is made from recycled plastic bottles. Come to think about it, isn't it really cool to create something that is completely from trash? Like, for example, the rubber soles, this came from grinded old soles that are scraps from the Nike factory. So the first versions of the Space Hippies that was released last year, it used to come with only one box with a little bag inside. But now there's no more bag. It comes with double boxing, which is better for resellers. So when you ship the shoes, you don't crush the box. So these are the first ever shoes that I ordered from the SNKRS app. I really like the design though. It's very minimalistic. It's really simple. It looks like it's like an unfinished shoes, but in a good way. Like it stands out. It looks like on this area, it looks like it's knitted. When I was actually wearing these shoes earlier, it feels like it's so lightweight and comfortable.